Welcome to 26788 Highland in beautiful Barrington, Illinois. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home needs some work. However, it's priced accordingly. Let's take a look inside. Come into the foyer with hardwood floors and a nice seating area. That's upstairs to 2 of the bedrooms. Here's the large living room with wood-burning fireplace, and as you can see, hardwood floors in here, some built-in shelves. This leads you through right into the kitchen, which has a large eating area space. As you can see, there's nice bay windows, so lots of windows to let the sun shine in. We have an island, the breakfast bar area, some more space for all your things. An efficient kitchen, easily to expand out here. That leads out to the yard. One thing I might want to mention, you can see this is a huge lot. We do have some drone video of this also on our website, so you can take a look and see the whole yard. So from the kitchen back into the foyer area in the hallway, that goes down to a full unfinished basement where the washer and dryer is. Here's the first floor bathroom. And then here's what might be considered a 3rd bedroom, office, den, study, whatever you want to use it for once it's yours. Now there's the front door. We're back into the hallway in the foyer. This leads us upstairs to 2 of the bedrooms. This is a very unique layout of the home. So there's lots of space upstairs, but only 2 really big bedrooms. So here's one of the bedrooms, all set up. So you got a lot of windows in here. You also have a big walk-in closet over there. And this looks out onto the very large lot and yard. In the hallway, you can see hardwood floors here. Here is the full bath. So you have a tub and a shower in here as well. There's more of that big yard. You have a big backyard and side yard. Here's the master bedroom. It's quite large. So even space for sitting area and what have you. And there is a walk-in closet here as well. So for all your things. Back into the hallway. Head down the stairs, which are hardwood as well. And that leads us right back out to the front. So you can see the porch. There's the 2+ car attached garage. And then a huge front yard as well. So I appreciate you taking the time today to take a look at this wonderful home with some amazing opportunity, and well as the award-winning schools that are right nearby. So thanks, and if you have any questions, give us a call or seek us out online. We'll help you out with anything we can. Thanks.